guys, Kevin here with Ducati Spacers. It's been a long time since we made a video, but we have some very exciting news. As you may have seen online, or maybe not yet, we are launching a brand new spacer kit. You saw in the past we did a video about the development of this spacer kit, and now we finally have it here in the flesh. We have a brand new full color instruction manual to go along with it. Today I'm going to show you how easy the installation is on this kit. It's compatible with the brand new Multistrada 1260, a few different Triumph models as well. We'll put all of those in the description below, but stay tuned. We're going to go through the installation and then I'm going to go on a pretty fun ride with this thing, so check it out. So I just want to show you what's going to come with the kit whenever you buy it this time around. This time it's actually only one spacer, which is just due to the different design of this throttle housing. And this time around we're also giving you a full color instruction manual, which we accidentally printed too large. So
Kevin did, not we.
Michelle did, it was her fault. So this time you get the benefit of a much larger kit that's easier to see the pictures and text, and we'll just have to send it to you folded in half, so be ready for that.
It's kind of ugly, but it's okay. It still works the same.
Alright, so I just want to show you guys the slop that's in this throttle assembly. You can see for the first 2 or 3 degrees of rotation here, basically nothing happens, and then once you get to the end of that, that's when the throttle starts engaging. So that's the slop in this assembly that we're trying to remove. So even easier than the first time around, the only tools that we're going to need for this installation are some kind of hex driver and the security bit that actually comes along with the kit. So this is a pretty rare bit. It has a little dimple in it. It's pretty uncommon, but we include it just to make the whole installation a lot easier for you guys. Alright, so the first step is just going to be to remove the 2 screws that hold the throttle assembly in place.
I can see myself in the mirror.
Who are you waving at? Alright, 2 screws out. Are you still?
Sorry.
Am I still even in frame?
No, you're...
The camera's just like pointing at the floor.
No, it's pointing at the mirror because I was staring into it like, hi!
This is live filming with Michelle. Alright, so once those 2 screws are out, all we gotta do is pop this throttle housing in half. I know that's very difficult, hopefully you guys can handle that at home. And we're going to pull this over to expose the area that the spacer will be installed. It's that nub right there. See it? On the throttle tube itself, not in the housing, on the throttle tube. It's this one.
Yeah, we see it.
Right where my finger is, right there.
Thank you.
That's the one.
Thank you.
I do what I can. Alright, so the next step is to put the spacer in place.
Dun dun dun, star of the show, what you're paying for.
Alright, so we're going to take this spacer, we're going to see the same size nub that it fits over, and we're just simply going to slide it into place. Easy as that. You can see how it fits in there. And then once it's in, we're just going to slide the whole assembly back together. Ooh. Give it a few turns, make sure it snaps back nicely as it's supposed to. And now we just got to put it all back together. How easy was that? Michelle, you're supposed to tell me how easy it was.
Oh, my bad. Oh my gosh, so easy.
Thanks for that glowing review. So let's put it back together. So the one little tricky point about this entire reassembly process, on the top of this throttle housing you can see there's a little locating boss, I guess you could call it. We're going to make sure that that boss lines up with the hole in the handlebar tube. So you can see the hole there in the handlebar, you can see the feature here on the top of the housing it aligns with. So we'll just make sure those are aligned properly. And they'll all go back together, easy peasy. Bam. So now we just have to put the screws back in and we're done. We do recommend that you use a blue Loctite on these screws. That'll help to make sure that over the lifetime of your bike they don't vibrate themselves out. Alright, and just like that, the screws are reinstalled. Let's give this a feel. Ooh, man. No slop. No slop at all. Super snappy. Can't wait to get this thing out on the road and see how it feels.
Are you taking it to somewhere?
I might be taking it somewhere special. I guess you'll find out soon enough if you keep watching the video.
He's taking it to Yosemite.
So that's the end of the install. As you can see, it only took maybe 5 minutes of our time. So little time that even Vincent didn't start barking or whimpering the entire video, which is definitely a first.
Good boy!
So thanks so much to Michelle for her help. Thanks to Vincent for being here. Stay tuned and I'm going to take this bike somewhere awfully cool to test out that spacer kit.
He's going to Yosemite.
Yeah, you already ruined it once, Michelle. You don't need to ruin it again.
5-hour ride on this motorcycle from twistedroad.com.
Rent it from twistedroad.com. Thank you, Twisted Road. Let's have a fun time driving up to Yosemite. Let's see some beautiful sights of Northern California.
Stay tuned for Kevin's own personal review of the kit itself. Peace!
Thanks, guys.